Hey there, this is Cam here at Island GM here in beautiful Duncan, British Columbia, Canada. And today I have a video review of the recently landed 2015 GMC Canyon. It's an extended cab here, so let's go and check out some features, shall we? Like a backup camera and more. This vehicle has 50,415 kilometers on it. Features like your cruise control, automatic headlights, powered locks, and windows too. There's a radio right there with the backup camera, pretty handy. Controls for the radio, climate control with air conditioning, traction control. It's an automatic. It's an extended cab. It opens like this. Right here you got little compartments in the seats. Come on, check her out.